My question is, how does it augur for the independence of the judiciary when you're likely to become governor or a political appointee right after?
See, as far as the appointment as a governor is concerned, or even vice president, which has happened from a judge to a vice president, is concerned, you ultimately have positions, for example, in Rajya Sabha. Now, there are 12 nominated positions. They are given to people of eminent personalities. They're given to people like Sachin Tendulkar. They're given to Rekha. So they're given to totally independent people.
And Harbhajan Singh as well.
Singh, I mean, there are several other names. I can't obviously take all of them. So the question of appointing judges and Supreme Court judges or High Court judges as Rajya Sabha members is something which can flow automatically. You require people of eminence, whether as a governor, and incidentally, in today's world, the governor's role has become rather important. You are required to be independent and impartial. That is one of the constitutional obligations, by the way, which flows from the Constitution. So there is no harm in any manner of having, not only harm, I would say it's eminently desirable that you have people give their service. Supreme Court judges retire at 65. High Court judges retire at 62. So please tell me why we should not use the experience of such people into the political arena. In fact, being on that eminent position is supposed to be independent people. So it's not really a question only of political arena, but whether political, non-political, partisan, non-partisan, the contribution of people who are eminent in that domain as a generic question of appointment of judges is something I think which is very desirable, and it has proved to have fairly good results. Law itself has become an integral part of the parliament as much as of the country. So I think the interpretation of law, the putting into proposition as far as Rajya Sabha is concerned, and by the way, the last session, the last parliament session, I don't know how many bills we've had under consideration, and the number of legislations that have been passed in the recent past is amazing. And I'm not talking about 2014, I'm talking about even beyond that. So be that as it may, I like your question to be put in overall perspective. I think highly desirable, and I do think that we in fact need to engage, and possibly this is something that I am saying, increase the ages of judges in any case. Maybe after that you can think of something else, but give them a term, because today's longevity, today's experience and maturity, maybe 65 and 62 is something which is an age which needs to be considered. Bring it on par. Make both High Court and Supreme Court judges the same age. That will help a lot of issues to be removed out of the circuit, and to make that 68 or something to that effect as much as possible, considering what kind of age and experience we want to have in our favor.
Yeah, ideas of India.